Good morning. I am Dr. T. Ravichandran, Professor, the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Achaya College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are discussing about the subject of artificial intelligence. In this topic, today our syllabus to form as the A-star algorithm. A-star algorithm is one of the best and popular technique used to fault finding and graph travels. The heuristic function. The algorithm used to heuristic function, often denoted by h of n, to estimate the cost of reaching the goal from the given node n. The estimation should be optimistic, meaning it should never to overestimate at the actual cost. The never overestimate cost as given the 2 marks question for admissible heuristic function. What is the admissible heuristic function? Never overestimation of the actual cost. That is the admissible heuristic function. The cost function algorithm also used to cost function of denoted by g of n goes to represent the actual cost of reaching the node n from the starting point. Evaluation function. The A-star algorithm combination of heuristic functions and the cost functions into evaluate functions, often denoted by f of n. The evaluation functions is defined f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. Priority queues, the algorithm is maintained the priority queues store the node to have been expired is not yet expanded. The nodes are expired based on their f of n values. Expansion, the algorithm is repeatedly expand the node with lowest f of n values generated to neighbors and update the proper queue accordingly. The goal test, the expand node is goal node. The algorithm is estimated return path from the starting point of the goal. Everyone knows the heuristic functions denoted by h of n, the cost functions denoted by g of n, evaluation functions f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. The total value, which one is lower, the expansion is performed. The goal test is every state verified from that goal and then move from the next level. The example, this diagram, is the diagram for reach the goal of j, a to j. The more number of goals are there. A is h of n is equal to 10. The h of n, the 2 cost stage is there. A to B as a 6 and A to F as a 3. So automatically the lowest value to be on choose move through the A to F. The reach as a to F has decided the 2 path. One is the F to G and G to H. F to H is equal to having the cost is 7. The same way F to G is cost is 1. So automatically the lowest value to be on choose F to G. So G is having only one path, automatically selected to I to value of 3. I having a 3 path, one is the I to H as 2, I to E as 3, I to J as 3. So automatically the lowest value to check on the particular goal state, so J as a goal state to automatically selected the goal state I to J as value of 3. This is the shortest path method we are assigning for the A-star algorithm to finding shortest path routing algorithms. We combination for f of n evaluation path, evaluation of value for f of n is equal to g of n and h of n. G of n is called as the cost of the route and h of n is the heuristic function values of the particular state. So the combination values, which one is lower, the evaluation path is selected to expand from the one path to another path. So each and every path verified for the goal state or not, if reached as the goal state is terminated. That methodology we have to work as the A star algorithm. A star algorithm, f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. The two advantages and disadvantages available for the A star algorithm. Advantages for A star algorithm: efficiency of A star algorithm is often more efficient than pathfinding algorithm, especially when the heuristic function is accurate. It polarized node that lead to the goal, reduce the number of nodes as expert. Competitiveness: A star algorithms graduate find the optimal solution if heuristic function is admissible. It is a never overestimate for the actual cost. It means that always find the shortest path that one exists. Optimability: the A star algorithm is guaranteed to find the optimal solution in the heuristical function is consistent. It estimates cost of reaching goal from node to always than the equal cost of the reaching goal of neighbors. Flexibility of A star algorithm can be dependent on the various problem in domain by the changing of heuristic function and cost functions. Wide applicability: the applicable to wide range of pathfinding problem, from simple grid-based mass complex real-world navigation task problems. The disadvantage: the heuristic function is dependency. The efficiency heavily depend on quality of heuristic function. Poorly chosen heuristic function lead to suboptimal solutions or even infinity loop. Memory usage can be incentively, especially the larger search space. It can be made by the use of the techniques like iterative depending A star and bidirectional A stars. Computational complexity: it is a worst case of A star algorithm have been the exponential time of complexity. However, it is a practice. It is often much faster due to the heuristic functions and efficient implementations. Limitation to graph-based problems: the A star algorithm is preliminarily designed for graph-based problems and may not be unsuitable for other types of searching problems. These are the structures available in the A star algorithm. Everyone knows very well from that A star algorithm is the best and popular algorithm for path finding. The lowest path and lowest way to reach as the destination. The path finding structure: f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. The evaluation path of f of n is equal to the cost value of g of n and heuristical value of h of n to find the path. The most of the path finding structure can use the A star algorithm. This is a very important algorithm for in the artificial intelligence in path finding structure. So today we are known about that the A star algorithm, how to find the path and how to work and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the A star algorithm. Thank you very much.